Something extraordinary is happening at the Great Central. New bridges have appeared. Others have been repaired. We're building a new railway. There are two halves of the Great Central Heritage Line, one in Nottinghamshire, the other in Leicestershire. They both head towards the town of Loughborough. Once, these two were connected as part of the Great Central Main Line to London. That line was closed in the 1960s as part of the Beeching railway cuts. After closure, the section of line in these archive pictures was demolished. The demolition work created a gap of 500 metres between the two surviving halves. Restoring the link has been called impossible, but we love a challenge. In 2017, engineers made a start. The first piece of the jigsaw to be put in place was the new bridge over the Midland Main Line. It's now ready to carry heritage trains, a substantial obstacle overcome. Next, the existing bridge over the Grand Union Canal was completely refurbished. It too is waiting for its first train in 50 years. 2 of the 7 phases of reunification are complete. Heading north from Loughborough, once the railway has crossed the canal, a new 300-metre-long embankment needs to be constructed. It will finish with a concrete bridge deck, the first part of the next phase, crossing Railway Terrace Road. A traditional metal bridge will go over the road itself. Then the railway crosses a factory car park. This will be on a brand new concrete structure. After that, it's the Main Line bridge, which, thanks to your support, is in place. There are 2 things left before the railways meet: restore an existing embankment and repair a bridge over the A60. That's it. Fix 500 metres and create an 18-mile heritage railway. There's a connection to the national railway network too. Next, we want to build phases 3 and 4. It will be cheaper to build them at the same time. Here's a closer look at this section. Starting at the Loughborough end, Railway Terrace is approached on a concrete bridge deck supported on pre-stressed concrete beams. This deck and the traditional metal bridge deck which will cross Railway Terrace itself ensure cars and lorries on the road below can clearly see each other. After the road, the new line will cross a factory car park, again on 3 concrete bridge decks. These 2 sections add another 61 metres of railway, and at the Ruddington end, it connects straight into the brand new Midland Main Line bridge. We're calling it the Factory Flyover. We've already raised around £1 million towards the cost. We need £2.5 million to build it. Raise £3 million and we can tick off the rebuild work on the northern embankment too. Can you help us get there? By giving just a little every month, say £12, that soon adds up to an incredible contribution over a year. Everything counts. Your donation will get us building again all the sooner. There are huge benefits to reunifying the railways. It will grow the East Midlands economy, safeguarding jobs and creating new ones. We'll be a mainline connected test track. It will be an international tourist attraction, drawing long-staying visitors. It's somewhere locos that operate on the main line will always have a home to run, even if they are squeezed off Network Rail. And finally, our new line will be able to welcome charter trains full of tourists to the area. Let's work together to get the full picture. This is what the Factory Flyover might look like in place. If your donations keep flowing, and with a smooth planning process, we'll start making it a reality in summer 2023. You've unlocked the dream. Now, let's finish the job. Thank you.